Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025 top 10 winning tips. This video for the details guaranteed for round 1 finance HR and TQM. I show you. So we have you can check the other video for R&D, marketing and production. This video for HR. For HR we have only 4 rounds, so we can use 5,000 and 80 hours the max we can produce. So we will have a very good workforce for all the 4 rounds. And for the finance, we use a max here, and max stock is still max short-term debt and max long-term debt, and then we pay some very small dividend. In round 4, we will pay more and keep this amount of cash to a safe amount of cash to avoid any emergency loan. And then we can check the pro forma income for round 1. We get very high sales here, and 35% of contribution margin. Each round we increase to 5% to 40, 45, 50% of contribution margin. That's very good for new product here. In round 1 we spend a strong promotion and sale and get some about 5% profit here. Next round we get 10, 15 and 20% of that, right? So that's overview for round 1 of CompXM. If you have any question, you can send the email to mbacin.ferris@gmail.com to get support for round 1 and round 1 quiz run for free. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.